Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Teachers Empowerment Program. We're going to do 2 modules today. The first one on who you are, who you can be, and who you should be. The second program would be on how can you get things done. Okay? Let's talk about the first module. As you see, it's all about exploring who you are, what should you do to be a good teacher, how can you achieve that level of excellence? Because we believe you have to have the pride and the passion to be in this wonderful profession. And how can you deliver excellence? Each of your jobs is all about delivering excellence with passion. Okay? It's a self-portrait, so sign it with flourish. And this program is going to help you achieve that. So I'll be getting into 2 roles. One as your facilitator, I'll conduct the program for you. The other as a trainer, I'll tell you how, I'll give you the tips how you will go and train the next level of teachers. Okay, so I'll alternate between these 2 roles as a facilitator and a trainer, and I'll tell you wherever possible what role I am in, or it will be very, very obvious. Okay, so the first activity, see what you see here is there are 2. I'm just explaining this. This is how the material would be given to you later as CDs. The TTT is the train the trainer. This is what I'm going to do. This is the duration that we are going to take, and this is what you would probably use to train your next level of teachers, or maybe a little longer. The TEP or the Teacher Empowerment Program is what will happen to all the teachers across Kerala. That is the expanded program. So we need to get to know you. All of you have papers with you. I want you to take a minute for yourself. Think of these statements. Write, see on the top of the paper, take a new fresh sheet. Okay? On top of the paper, just write your name in capital letters. Okay? And then write. I want you to write these statements. You can say I'm bored, I'm hungry, I'm angry, whatever, or whatever you want to, whatever you feel at the moment. Don't think of the most perfect answer, and nobody is going to judge you. Okay? I am not, I am proud of, whatever you're proud of. You can say I'm proud of being an Indian, whatever comes to your mind. I fear, what you're afraid of, and I hope. Take 2 minutes time and write the statement independently. Quickly exchange your paper. Give your paper to your partner. Now introduce yourself. For example, when you do it at your session, you will have to ask people to pair up and speak. I'm going to give you 5 minutes time for you to introduce each other. So can I have your name? Sebastian, what's yours? Mohammed, Mustafa and Sebastian. Sebastian will give his paper to thing. Suppose he's written, I am what? Happy. So he'll say, oh, Sebastian, you're happy. You can look at all his statements and say, okay, if you find something he's written, I'm afraid of spiders, then you say, what makes you afraid? Maybe Mohammed is also afraid of spiders, so they say, oh, why did we both get scared of spiders? Make it interesting, talk about each other, and then after 5 minutes, Sebastian will have to introduce Mohammed with the statements that he listened, right? And you will introduce him. See, we are not talking about which school we are coming from. We are not talking about your educational qualification. We are interested in knowing who you are. It's very, very important. Okay? So, I'm going to give you 5 minutes time now. Quickly pair up, talk to your partners, find out what their interests, all this is based on these sentences. Get going. Have you all discussed with your partners? Can we start the introductions? Come.
This is my friend Sebastian Harikrishnan, and he has been working as a high school assistant in NS Government Girls High School, Mannar. He is very happy to attend the meeting, attend the training.
Excuse me, again you will not interpret or assume, you will only state what he told you in those statements.
Okay.
Please, because this is what we all do continuously. When we look at a child or at a student, we assume things. We don't assume things. We give them the benefit of doubt and state only facts. Okay? We'll explore all this in the other activities later, and I'll tell you what we could do wrong. No room for assumptions, only facts.
Let me introduce my 2 friends. One Ken Vishnu Bhattadiripad from Paravur. This is the man. He retired from HSA. Then another Rajan Sakriya from Diet Kottayam, Rajan Sakriya. These 2 people are very interesting to take part this training program. We proudly introduce these 2 gentlemen.
So what we'll do is, I'm taking the somebody here suggested let's move on to the next one. Why did we do this? I'll come to you all. We'll give you this. We'll start the next activity with you all, and we'll do the introduction from this. We'll ensure that everybody gets to know each other. So why did we do this? Why is it? What is the reason behind doing this? Knowing each other, what else? Understanding the strength and weaknesses, because we are talking about who am I? What I am not? What do I fear? So how did you feel when you shared the information about yourself with the other person? You feel closer, it brings you together. No, but you all belong to one family, the family of teachers, right? So it brings a bonding together. What happened when you talked about fears? Okay, he also has another fear. You feel everybody has fear. There's nothing to be ashamed of. How did you feel when you talked about your hope? Some of you spoke about, I hope to be a better man, educator. I hope to emerge as a stronger person after this program. How does hope make you feel? Good, right? It brings a lot of energy. You feel good. No, I have to achieve that sense of achievement, that you see that objective there, you want to go towards it. So it's all, life is all about overcoming your fear and working towards realizing your dreams. That's how we progress. Okay? And this is what this program is about. It's going to help you realize who you are, what should you